Hey guys, Mike here. Our friends at FOLKSMATE sent us these outdoor wall lights, wall sconces. The thing I like about these is it has a sensor on it, a dusk to dawn sensor. So when the sun goes down, the lights come on. They're pretty straightforward to install. It comes with all the parts you need in it. So this is the mounting hardware that you basically loosen this Phillips head screw, turn it to the sideways, attach it to the box, rotate it back in place where it's level and screw it down tight. Now you have a level surface and you can adjust this. If your box is a little crooked, you can adjust this and just tighten it down. But then these are the mounting screws and they just mount on the back like that. And on the front, it has the little decorative screw caps. It's hard to see, I know, but they have little decorative screw caps that go right back on over the top of it. So we're going to install these. So hang with us and we'll take a look at them. All right, so we're attaching this mounting bracket, this mounting hardware. It's pretty simple to install. Just a couple Phillips head screws. They come in the pack and they just attach to your outlet. Well, I say they attach to your outlet. All right, so that's attached. Now just adjust this to where it's going to be level to mount your light. And we'll tighten this set screw down. And now it's time to wire up the light. So this is really simple. You see this black and white wires and just match up colors, black to black, white to white. Wind them up tight on here, wrap it around this wire so it's good. Then put a wire nut on it, and the wire nuts come in the package with it, so you don't have that issue either. And now we'll do the white. And the ground wire hooks to the grounding lug that is on the mount. There's no metal on this light, so you don't have to ground it specifically, but you do have to ground your wire to this green hub. And we'll get that done. Then stick your wires back in the box. Just like this. Make sure your wire nuts, especially those connections, are inside the box. Okay. Then you slide this over the studs on the mounting bracket. Once you get them lined up, it just slides right on, but lining it up is the bear. But once they're lined up, they come with these little black decorative nuts, and you screw it on. And then you get a light bulb and put a light bulb in it. And we're going to use an Edison style bulb since this is all clear and you'll be able to see the bulb. We really like the look of the Edison style bulbs. But it's just that simple. It's all wired up and you are set to go. So hang with me. We'll come back after dark and make sure that this will go on at nighttime, and we'll check it all out together. Hold on with me. Hey guys, Mike here with our FOLKSMATE lights. They're outdoor sconces, and they have a night vision sensor on them, so they'll come on from dusk till dawn. So you can see it's a little dark out here, so the lights came on. But I'll show you with a flashlight, they go right off and they come right back on. So our FOLKSMATE lights, we love these things. Thank you for sending them along. We love them. Have a great rest of your night.